Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on iOS 26. To manage the app permissions, go to the settings, of course, then go to apps at the very bottom. Now select an app you want to change the permissions of. So let's say I want to change the permissions for Gmail, I guess. And you'll have the permissions here. I don't have like lots of them because I haven't opened Gmail on this phone, I think, yet. But once you open an app, it'll actually have more permissions here to show you because first the app needs to ask you for them, then they will appear in the options here. So if I go to like any app, then probably for Instagram, if I ever opened it, I'd have like the camera permission, the gallery permission, maybe contacts permission for some apps, and feel free to manage those however you like. And I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.